Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and use AC Tunnel VPN on Geo network in India. So open your Google Play Store. Don't forget to like this video to keep it moving. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then comment if you get any problem. Search AC Tunnel VPN. I think that's the spelling, and then search for that one. This is the first VPN you're going to download. As I told you, don't forget to like this video to keep it moving. Open that AC Tunnel VPN. Make sure to install it. If you are done installing this VPN, click the open button, this one. We're going to set it this VPN faster. But to keep my video moving, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like this video. And if you open that VPN, the interface will be looking like this. You are free to join their Telegram channel, or you are free also to place the letter button like that. Click these 4 dots in the top left corner, as you also click that like button. Click online update and wait for a moment until it blinks that there are no updates. Make sure to put aeroplane mode or flight mode on and off, and wait for the networks to be back again. Make sure you are free to choose these random servers and choose any server of your choice, but I recommend to use the online servers. Then you press this second button which has Uganda, but it will be looking for Pakistan in the new VPN, and search for India. If you search for India, you're going to bring many networks. You are free to connect to any network of your choice, but I recommend you to either to connect on India Geo Premium or to connect to India Geo Free 2026. Let me select this one and then click. After you will be able to click this button to start your VPN. Thank you guys for following. I sign out.